let's go over all the different ways you can link to your PaperBell packages from your website, social media, anywhere on the internet. So right now I'm looking at my packages, my offerings in PaperBell. Let's start with your shop. So one way you can find your shop URL is to go to that shop settings page. You can click this to copy over the URL. And here's what a shop looks like. So your shop is going to list any packages that you have that aren't paused or invite only, so anything publicly available. So your shop can be a really great way to easily showcase all of your different offerings to your clients. So if you ever want to send a link that has a few choices for your clients between all of your different packages, this is that link that you want to send, your shop link. Now let's go see how you can link to individual packages. So I've gone to my packages page. By the way, if you ever want to reorder how these appear in your shop, you can click this little reorder button right here. So if I click on a package, I then click on the sharing tab right over here to get all my different links and options. So let's go over what these different links are. So your calendar link links directly to your booking calendar. So we'll preview that one. That shows your clients booking their first time. So if this is a paid package, first they will start by choosing a time and then they'll be taken to payment. This is pay what you want, so they get to choose which option. If you have a contract, they'll be taken there. They'll be taken through the whole checkout sequence, starting right here with scheduling. Another option is the package link. So this one is going to send people to this landing page that you create explaining everything about your package. So if you want to give people a page that has more information, this is a good one to link to. Next we have the shop link. We've already looked at that. We just have it on this page also so you can find it easily if you want to link to your entire shop. And we have your client login link. This is the link to send your clients if they're asking how to schedule appointments, how to log into PaperBell. Also, you might want to add this to your website. You might want to have a section of your website that has something like client, log in here, existing client booking, something like that. You can have a link or a button on your site so that your existing clients always know where to go to book their next session. Over here, we have your embedded calendar. So you can copy and paste this into any website. If you want to check out our help docs, we have some more specific instructions for some of the most popular platforms like Wix and Squarespace, but you copy and paste this into your website and it will embed your booking calendar for this package. So let's see what that looks like. So here's an example landing page for a coaching site, Coaching McCoachface, of course. So what I've done here is I've talked about some of the different packages that Coaching McCoachface offers, and then these learn more links, I grabbed this package link right here for the learn more. So when you click on group coaching, you're going to be taken to that PaperBell landing page where you can learn everything about it and go ahead and buy it. Same with these. So I'm going to do this by going to my website editor, editing this button URL, and pulling in this package link from right here. And then if you keep scrolling down, you'll see the embedded calendar. So in this example, Coaching McCoachface has some of their different paid offerings up here, but then they also do free discovery sessions. So I think a booking calendar is going to be something really common for a free discovery session. You want people to be able to just go to your website, book with you right away, so you can embed it right into your website. It's pretty cool, looks really nice. So your client will go here, choose the time that they want. This one wants the middle of the night for some reason. And it will take them, again, right into this PaperBell checkout flow. This time they don't have to pay because it's a free offering. If they have to pay, they would enter their payment details. Again, contract signing would happen. And then an intake survey happens after that. So that's what's really cool about PaperBell. The entire client experience is completely integrated into one checkout flow. Now, I also wanted to show you how you can use these links anywhere else on the web, including social media. So maybe I want to tweet about my Pay What You Can coaching offer. I would just go to these links again. So I can go right to my calendar link right here. I'm probably going to want to go to my package link. I think that makes more sense so they can go learn more about the package. And so I just paste it right here and tweet it out. So you can do that on any social media site, in Facebook Messenger, in a text message, in a WhatsApp message, anywhere that you can put a link, you can put these Paperbell links so that people can find your offerings, learn more about your offerings, and pay for your offerings.